Today we will field test a brand new Shimano product, the Ultegra RX805 Road RD with chain stabilizer. So these products here are actually the first, because they were hand carried by our Japanese colleagues only last week.
Wow.
I'm Hiroshi Matsumoto from Shimano Japan. I'm person in charge of the whole road components. RX, it means a road crossover. It's especially for the gravel and some unpavement roads. Then it's perfect solution for the vibration.
So the Ultegra RX800, which is the mechanical version, and the Ultegra RX805, which is the electronical version, are not just normal RDs. They have this really great feature called Shadow RD Plus, which you might know from our high-end mountain bike group sets.
It's reducing some chain strapping and some reducing the noise in case of the bumpy sections.
So although the Shimano RX rear derailleurs are designed for gravel and adventure bikes, you can imagine it has big advantages for these cobbles here in Flanders and Paris-Roubaix as well.
In these races, we're seeing more and more that there's rough terrain like this, where you need a little more something special for certain courses. So Tour of Flanders, and then also Paris-Roubaix, a race where that's almost like some sections are as rough as maybe mountain biking. So having a derailleur that you can flip a switch and add tension to the whole drivetrain is a huge advantage.